looked sad. Then came Kia. Then Shy tried. Then beautiful Cody Marco. Then glorious Tui. Then Kiddo. One after the other, all the birds sang to Uanuku, but none of them could make him smile. Te Waka Waka even asked Tall Kotuku, but he was far too proud to come and sing. Te Waka Waka was almost ready to give up when a glorious song rose up from the treetops. It was Tieke, the greatest singer of the forest.
So Tiki sat up on Uanuku's shoulder and sang the most beautiful song of the bush. A song of sunrise and fresh rain. A song of mist through the trees and clean water in the streams. He sang of a land of greens and blues, of tall snowtops and lush green valleys. Uanuku's tears stopped at last. His shoulder rose up and he listened to the little bird. Finally, a little smile appeared on his face.
Dear friends of the forest, you have shown me the beauty of this land, and you have shown me that I can make my home here. Come forward, little creatures, and I'll keep my promise to you.
And with that, Uanuku turned his long hair into a beautiful rainbow.
Fly through the rainbow, my friends, and all the colours you wish for shall be yours.
One by one, all the birds of the forest flew through the rainbow, and in turn they were given their colours. Kia's feathers were the green of the forest, with a flash of brightness under his wings. asked for the blue of the deep sky. Kiwi asked to receive the colours of the forest floor. And Penguin just wanted the colours of the insects that were her favourite food. Kurimako got a lovely yellow-green to go with her sweet voice. He was granted the shiniest purple, green and black.